All you need to know about Zygopetalums, a fragrant orchid favorite. Hi, Ferb Vu here, and I'm obsessed with orchids. Today, I want to delve into the fascinating world of Zygopetalums, stunning orchids known for their beauty and captivating fragrance. What is a Zygopetalum? Zygopetalum, zygo for short, is a genus of about 14 orchid species belonging to the Orchidaceae family. These tropical beauties hail from South America, gracing rainforests with their presence. Several Zygopetalum species are popular houseplants, prized for their long-lasting, fragrant blooms. What makes Zygopetalums special? Zygopetalums stand out for several reasons. Fragrant flowers, Zygopetalums boast some of the most delightful scents in the orchid kingdom. Their blooms often emit a sweet, hyacinth-like or spicy, peppery aroma that can fill a room. Long-lasting blooms, unlike some fleeting orchid flowers, Zygopetalums hold their own for weeks, putting on a fragrant show for extended periods. Relative ease of care. Compared to some high-maintenance orchids, Zygopetalums are generally considered easier to grow. With proper light, watering, and fertilization, they'll thrive indoors. Zygopetalum versus other popular orchids. While Zygopetalums have their own charm, orchid enthusiasts often compare them to other favorites. Here's a quick breakdown. Phalaenopsis, moth orchid. Phalaenopsis orchids are renowned for their elegant, moth-like blooms and ease of care. Unlike Zygopetalums, they prefer brighter indirect light. Dendrobium. Dendrobiums offer a wider variety of flower shapes and sizes compared to Zygopetalums. However, their fragrance can be less pronounced. Cattleya. Cattleyas boast large, showy flowers, but their light requirements are more demanding than Zygopetalums. They generally need brighter, indirect light. Ultimately, the best orchid depends on your personal preferences and growing conditions. Zygopetalums are a great choice for those seeking fragrant blooms and a manageable care routine. How to care for Zygopetalum? Thriving Zygopetalums require a few key things. Light. Provide bright, indirect light. Avoid harsh, direct sunlight, which can scorch the leaves. East or north-facing windows are ideal. Watering. Water your Zygopetalum when the potting media approaches dryness. Overwatering is a major threat, so err on the side of underwatering. Temperature. Maintain cool to intermediate temperatures, around 60 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit. Avoid extremes of heat or cold. Humidity. Moderate humidity, around 50 to 60%, is ideal. Grouping plants together or using a pebble tray can help raise humidity. Potting media. Use a well-draining orchid mix that allows for good air circulation around the roots. Fertilizer. During active growth periods, fertilize your Zygopetalum with a balanced orchid fertilizer diluted to half strength. Common Zygopetalum problems and solutions. Drooping leaves. This often indicates underwatering. Water your orchid when the potting media feels dry to the touch. Yellowing leaves. Excessive sunlight, underwatering, or aging leaves can cause yellowing. Check light levels and watering frequency. Brown spots on leaves. Fungal diseases can cause brown spots. Isolate the plant and treat with a fungicide if necessary. No blooms. Insufficient light or improper fertilization can prevent blooming. Ensure your orchid receives adequate light and fertilize during active growth. With a little TLC, your Zygopetalum will reward you with stunning blooms and a captivating fragrance. Where to buy Zygopetalums? You can find Zygopetalums at specialized orchid nurseries, online retailers, and sometimes even garden centers. Look for healthy plants with vibrant foliage and no signs of pests or diseases. By following these tips, you can enjoy the beauty and fragrance of Zygopetalums in your own home. So, why not add a touch of the tropics to your space with these captivating orchids?